Hello and welcome to Classic Coding Studio. I'm KG Singh. So today I have brought a new topic that is loss function and mean square error. So what is a loss function and what is the mean square error? So a loss function is used by machine to learn how it determines how well a certain algorithm models the data, because the aim of the machine learning is to train the model so that it can predict the values on the given input. So if the predicted values are too far off from the actual findings, the loss function will return a very large number or large value. And if it is within the range, then it gives the good result, or you can say the accurate output. So the loss function learns to lower the prediction error over the time. So what is a mean square error? To find the mean square error, take the observed or actual values, subtract the predicted values to find the difference, and square the difference. So it will never be the negative value. And repeat this process for all the actual values or the observed values. The sum of all these squared values and divided by the number of samples. So this is mean squared error. So if you see, there is a graph, and this red line shows the regression line and or the predicted points. So here this is a predicted point, this is a predicted point, and this is also a predicted point. So beyond this regression line or the red line, there are points in blue, and these are the actual points. And over here you see there is a formula to find the MSE, that is 1 upon n is the number of samples, summation, that is all the samples, the sum of the samples, but the formula where this the formula yi minus yi cap. So this is the difference of the actual and predicted values, and we'll have to square so that uh, there should not be any negative value. So always there should be a positive value. So what is the advantage of mean squared error? MSE is very useful for ensuring that our trained model does not have any outlier predictions with significant errors, because MSE places a higher weight on these errors due to the squaring elements of the functions. So less the mean square error and accurate the prediction. So we are moving towards how to work out this mean squared error. So we'll move to our collab or notebook. So this is our collab notebook, and over here I am going to import from sklearn dot matrix import mean squared mean squared error squared and error. And now I am taking some data, actual and predicted data. So I'm taking that data in the form of the list. So I'm using the variable actual points is equal to, here is the data, the 3 comma minus 0.5 comma sorry, comma 2 comma 7.2. So these are the actual points, and predicted points. Again, this is a list. I'm taking the first value is 2.5, then 0.0, then 2.3, then in 8. So these are the actual points, actual plotted points, and the second one is predicted points. Now from this set from these sets, I'm going to evaluate mean squared error, MSE value. So this is comma mean squared error, and data sets are actual points, comma predicted points, and this will give MSE value. Let's see what is the result. So if you see the result is showing that is 0.3074. That is, it's a quite a bit good result, because the lesser the error, accurate the predictions. So this way we can find out the mean squared error. And over here, if you recall this sklearn or scikit-learn class, we have used the function mean squared error. So it is inbuilt function of scikit-learn matrix. So hope you understood the concept of mean squared error and loss function. So if you have any doubt, kindly write it into the description box. I'll try to answer your query. So we'll meet in the next video with some new topic. Till then, bye bye.